Good day guys, so today I'll be sharing my Gunslinger MVP build. So we'll be showing some board MVPs, undead MVP, and special MVPs. Then I will be showing my item build, my stats, my skill build, my runes, and my handbook. Please do note that my character is not free to play, but I will also be showing some alternatives for free to play players.
When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind works backwards just for a minute, I'd hold on to you before the memory's gone. I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you, you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember, I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you, you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember. When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind works backwards just for a minute, I'd hold on to you before the memory's gone. I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you, you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember.
Now guys, let's talk about the items, skill build, and runes that I used in this video. Let's consume some meal bees and a rapid attack alloy. For my attack, I have about 30,500, 90% physical penetration, 145% attack, 125% physical damage increase, and 208 ignore defense. Now for my items, so for my offhand, I have Helion Bracelet plus 10 with Ali Star card. You can also opt for Rafflesia Star card. So for my armor, I have Voodoo Armor plus 15 with 10% physical penetration, Arch for Enchant, and Heart card slotted on it. You can also opt for Gloom Under Night card, depending on the boss. So for my garment, I have plus 15 White Duke's Mantle with Toadstar card, Universal card for DPS on this class. And for my foot gear, I have plus 12 Saint Miracle shoes with Edgar Star card. You can also opt for Moonlight Flower Star card, as the Gunslinger class is a bit slow on move speed. So for my accessories, I have 2 plus 13 Dog Servant with physical damage increase about 3.9 each. I can slot it with Ultraman card or other cards such as Galleon card, Santa Pouring, Anaconda, or other cards depending on the element or race of the MVP. For my weapon, I have plus 15 Golden Law Enforcer for Desperado damage, slotted with Drake Star card and Minora's card to enable the Insight effect, plus 50% ignore defense. So for my headgear, I have plus 6 Abyssal Cry. You can also opt for Glacier Power plus 10 for free-to-play players, or have Drake Star card in your weapon slot. So I started it with Andre Star card, or you can also go for Odhumbla card. Then for my face gear, I have Juggling Queen, Light Food for my mouth, then Wrathgrisy Fallen Feather for my back gear, and then Nether Herald for my tail. So I use Nether Herald for the increase in final damage, especially if it's plus 10, but please do mind that the final damage will only be up to 10% and not 20. Now let's go to my skills used. So for my auto skill slot, I have Carnage Capiora. And then for my manual skill slot, I have Fallen Angel for reloading and for dashing. And then I have Prepare for Elite with my offensive buffs. And then I also have Carnage Capiora in my manual skill slot. And then in my Prepare for Elite, I have Rage of Tyrant. So as you can see, it's also in the manual skill slot, so that I know the cooldown, if it's on cooldown. Then for my handbook, I have about 80,000 HP, and then 3,079 attack with 73% attack deposit. So for my runes, I have Fire on Full Power with 32% cooldown reduction, Tactical Maneuver Rune with 3rd line unlocked, Massacre Bloom Rune with 3rd line unlocked, Potent Hormone Rune with 3rd line unlocked, Fight Fire Shooting Star Rune with 3rd line unlocked, and Cheating Technique Rune with 3rd line unlocked. So personally guys, I think Gunslinger Pistol MVP build can be very effective in boss hunting since the DPS is quite high. You will really be able to compete with other classes. A substantial advantage of the class is that our main DPS skill, Carnage Capiora, can change elements depending on your preference. To be honest, there are also disadvantages such as low mobility, and since we are not a one-hit type of job, especially in the higher boards, it is possible for someone to kill steal. So that's about it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'd appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment down below for any reactions or any topics you want discussed. Thank you once again, and I'll see you on my next video.